Hey, welcome back to the shop. I was invited to a birthday party for one of my clients, Michelle, that has everything. So, you get someone that has everything. So, I got this little twig here, and I'm gonna make her an acorn. And while I'm at it, I'll walk you through the process of how this is done. Let's get an acorn done for Michelle. It all starts with a twig about 6 inches long by about 3.5 wide. So I'll take that to round. Once I'm happy with that, I'll cut 2 tendons, one on each end. Then I get my parting tool and I separate it about 1/3. Here I'm breaking it off. The big part will go aside and we will put the small part in to create a lid. So I'm gonna start round it off. Here I'm making a dip, which will be the inside of the lid. Here is a shoulder where the tenon from the other half will go in. Having said that, I kind of screwed this up. It was supposed to be deeper than this. So moving forward, you will see that I make a design with 3 lines, and I subsequently had to put it back on the lathe and make the recess deeper and redo this whole part all over again. But that's how it goes. So here comes the bottom half. Now this is, I screw this part up too. You gotta go slow and try it until it fits perfect. And as you can see by the extra tenon there, I went too far and I have to start again a second one. And the second time I nailed it. It has to be, the lathe has to go in really tight, not to the finish. It has to be tighter than what you want it to be at the end. That way it stays there while you turn the back of it. Then later you just hit it with sandpaper until you get the fit that you want. That's a nice tight fit. So I finish the top of it. This is like ×8. I'm not that good. Sand that off. Some friction polish. Then the other half. Using a big honking scraper here, and I switch to a smaller one. Once I went as deep as I want to go, I will shape the outside of it. That pencil line there is just to mark where my what the end is, because here you're almost done and you don't want to go through the bottom of it, right? Here I'm parting it off. And now with that leftover wood, I'm gonna make a recess again, so the body of the acorn fits nice and tight in there. And that creates a jump jack, which allows me to finish the bottom. Some sanding, some more friction polish, and that should be it. Now it's a moment of truth. See if it actually looks like an acorn. Try to match up the grain. That actually turned out way better than I expected. I mean, this is the second time that I turned one of this. I nailed both of them. Check for a perfect fit. It has to click when you close it. There we go. And we'll bring this to my friend Michelle and see what she thinks of it.
Oh, there he is. Good
to see you. I love the shirt.
What's the time?
I'm telling you, man.
Where are you, sir?
No.
Hold on.
Me,
Hold on.
Hold on.
It goes in the other one. It goes the other way.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. I like it this way.
You like it that way?
I like it that way. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Oh, thank you guys. You made that. I can't believe you did that for me. Thank you.
Really good.